A widely used system optimization and cleaning tool developed by Paraform. It is designed to enhance the performance of computers running Windows, macOS, and Android by removing unwanted files, fixing registry issues, and improving overall system efficiency. With its simple interface and powerful features, CCleaner helps users maintain a clutter-free system, ensuring smoother operation and faster response times. The core functionality of CCleaner revolves around cleaning junk files, which include temporary files, browser history, system logs, and other unnecessary data that can accumulate over time. By deleting these files, CCleaner frees up valuable disk space and reduces the clutter that can slow down a system. The software also includes an advanced registry cleaner that scans for invalid or broken registry entries, which can cause errors or system instability if left unchecked. The registry cleaning tool is customizable, allowing users to review and approve fixes before they are applied. In addition to its cleaning capabilities, CCleaner offers tools to manage startup programs and uninstall unnecessary applications. This feature helps improve system boot times by preventing unwanted programs from launching automatically. The software also includes a file shredder tool, which securely deletes sensitive files to prevent recovery, adding an extra layer of privacy and security for users. These features make CCleaner an all-encompassing system optimization tool. CCleaner is known for its ease of use, making it accessible to both beginner and advanced users. The software provides an intuitive interface with clear options for cleaning, analyzing, and optimizing a system. Additionally, the free version of CCleaner provides users with essential tools, while the paid Pro version offers advanced features like real-time monitoring, automatic updates, and scheduled cleaning for added convenience. Overall, CCleaner is an effective and reliable tool for anyone looking to maintain their computer's performance and keep it running smoothly. Whether you're looking to free up disk space, fix system errors, or enhance your privacy, CCleaner provides a comprehensive solution that helps optimize your system with minimal effort.